Arboleda and Bitoy Omolon. This first game already underway. Willie Miller and the rest of Global Port with first crack at the basket. And immediately, dediretso sila kay Gary David.
At nakatao sa kanya.
Bitoy Omolon, Gary
Exactly.
David.
One of the best defenders ng Air 21, especially in the wing position. Sandali, nabilanggo pa si Nonoy Baclaw?
Medyo. Nabilanggo sa bench ng medyo matagal.
Ayun, okay. Na doghouse. Ayun. Kaya medyo nakawala na ngayon.
At yun niya yung binabanggit nila Aaron doon sa active center. Noy Baclaw in his first outing for Air 21 played 32 big minutes. 18 points, 4 rebounds, 2 assists, a steal, and a block. Pinapikita nga niya na kayang-kaya naman yung makipagsabayan dito.
Alam mo maganda nga yan because ang coach niya taga-Lasal, si Franz Pumaren. Siya naman taga-Ateneo. Kanya okay naman, they can coexist.
Yun na maganda doon. As Ritualo misses on their opening attempt. Both teams galing sa talo nga sa kanilang opening assignments at Global Port right on opening day. Bowing to Ginebra 110-90, samantalang etong Air 21 naman was outlasted by Barako Bull Energy Cola. Mas impressive yung pinakita na itong Air 21 kahit na natalo rin sila. Mas impressive sila kaysa doon sa Global Port in their opening assignments.
Oh, without a doubt. They lost only by 3. At naipakita ng Air 21, they have a lot of strong facets sa kanilang laro. For instance, they were ahead in assists. They were ahead in least or less turnovers. They shot 90% from the free throw line. A lot of positives. Yung nga lang sa rebounding sila nagkulang. They were minus 22 in that department against Barako. But ang Global, ganun din. Kulang din sila sa rebounding against Ginebra. They were minus 27. At si Deutschman, nakatira ng 3. By the way, now that he's starting for Global, ano kaya ang future ni Raba Al-Husseini with his team?
Jason Deutschman ties the game at 3. Arboleda unang nakabutas dito sa kabilang dulo. Speaking of rebounding, Dadin, binabanggit mo, no? Para dito sa Air 21, the guy with the most rebounds nung nakaraan kontra Barako Bull was J.R. Sena with 6 boards. Pero baka mas madali trabaho nila ngayon dahil para naman dito sa Global Port, 6 rebounds lang din ang top rebounder nila at wala nang iba yan kung hindi yung nakatira ng 3 na si Jason Deutschman.
And Deutschman is more of an outside player, more of a perimeter finesse player. He's not going to give you post-ups. He's not going to give you too much ferocity underneath the boards, although nakakuha siya ng 6 rebounds last time out.
Nakita mo naman, dumive pa si Deutschman for the leather dito sa kabilang dulo and he's fouled on the offensive end, and that is our first look at that new rule that allows diving dito sa PBA. Napansin nyo, dumive si Deutschman, hindi natawagan ng traveling, naipasa niya yung bola nung huminto na yung skid niya.
Deutschman, mga kaibigan, nakausap po natin siya before this game. Of course,
kasi nag-remedial clash siya.
naturing natin, bagsak player of the game last time out, si Deutschman, because of that missed layup. I mean, that was a missed layup that came at a very crucial stage nung humahabol yung Global Port. And that's the reason kung bakit binigyan natin siya ng poor rating in that game. You can't afford to miss a layup like that.
Pero mukhang talagang dinibdib niya, nag-summer class, nag-remedial. Ito si Deutschman because he's got all 5 points para dito sa Batang Pier so far.
At hindi naman niya pinersonal yung pinansin natin. Kasi nag-usap nga kami before this game, naikwento pa niya that yung San Antonio Spurs forwards Kawhi Leonard, nagsabay sila sa San Diego State. Si Deutschman, of course, did play for an NCAA Division I team.
Steal by Linganay. Nauna naman dito sa kabilang dulo si Deutschman. They go to David. Miller swings it over. Ito na naman si Deutschman. Another 3. Pasok na naman yan. 8 puntos na para dito kay Deutschman.
He's known as a scorer. No, check that. As a shooter. More than a scorer. And he's got 2 3-pointers now across his name.
At 5 na ang abante ng Global Port. Ritualo di makabawi sa kabilang dulo. Salvador with that rebound. Jondan Salvador will have his work cut out for him last time around. Ito si Jondan, dadalawang rebound ang nakuha. He will be needed underneath kung sa labas nga. Tetekada, etong si Deutschman, nakita nyo sa kanan, sa kaliwa, no problem, ringless yan.
And he started at center for this team pero tumitira sa labas. May kumpiyansa naman si Deutschman that si Jondan Salvador nasa ilalim to pick up a possible offensive rebound kung sakali bang magbinti siya, pero mukhang mataas ang kumpiyansa ni Deutschman sa kanyang tekada from the outside.
Nice pass over to Salvador. The defense focused on David as he popped out on the left. Easier 2 para dito kay Jondan. 10-3 na nasa ating talaan. At ganun-ganun lang, napatawag na ng timeout. Etong Air 21 Express. They trail by 7, 10-3. Back with us inside the Smart Araneta Coliseum, kung saan etong si Jason Deutschmann is looking to leave a second impression on everybody. Ibang klase pinakikita dito.
8 out of 10 points ang global port galing kay Deutschmann starting at center, pero tumitikada yan sa labas. And he's stamping his class here very early in this game as not only a good player on the inside, but maybe even a better player on the outside.
And for more on Deutschmann, let's go to Sel Guevara.
Magu, you know what? This is interesting. Alam mo pangalan ni Jason Deutschmann sa kanilang team Jason Lambotsky, kasi siya ang pinakatahimik at yung pinakawalang ibig compared to his other teammates like Alex Crisano, Willie Miller. Pero hindi porket Lambotsky siya, hindi siya nag-execute. Tingnan mo naman yung mga tira niya kanina. And he told me that he knows the little tricks of the veterans in the PBA and he's aware of the physicality. Balik sa inyo.
Aba, very aware siya sa mga panggugulang dito sa PBA. 12-5 is the score. Dadalawang tao may score para dito sa global court. The first 8 galing dun kay Deutschmann and the last 4 galing kay Jondan Salvador. Bonbon Custodio checking in for the first time para kay paring Winnie Arboleda. Custodio last time around played 20 minutes, scored only 4 points. Meron naman siya 3 rebounds, 3 assists as Bitoy Umolon scores his 4th point of this game, cutting this global port lead down to 5.
Kung titingnan natin ang lineup ng dalawang koponan, no? You see that these are vastly improved and retooled from last season.
As Jondan Salvador makes it 6 in a row para sa sarili niya for global port. 14-7, dinoble ng global port ang production ng Air 21. Yusuf Taha pumasok na rin dito, the Dean, yung rookie netong Air 21, kang bantay niya ngayon yung si Deutschmann. Taha over to John Wilson, the scoring machine, the former NCAA MVP, gets it over to Bitoy. Long 2 doesn't work. Jay Arsena gets the rebound. Bonbon, one dribble pull-up is good.
Second opportunity there for Air 21. Yung nabanggit natin about both these teams being or flashing new lineups here this season. Ang Air 21 with 2 rookies and 4 veterans joining this team in the off-season. So that's 6 new players. At ang global naman with 4 rookies and 3 veterans moving sides. So they've got 7 new faces. So clearly, both these teams wanted to retool, wanted to beef up, and signs are good, at least very early in this game.
El Granada binabantayan dito ni Wilson. Linganay with the leather. Hindi pa nakakabutas dito si Rudy. Bounces it to Miller. Masyado nga lang mababa. Turnover in favor of Air 21.
A nice idea that time. Willie Miller just not up to it. Thought it was a good pass. Ang ganda ng pasa.
Wilson kontra kay David. Pupunta dito kay Umolon. 3-pointer on the way. Bitoy could not connect. Deutschmann with another rebound. Gary to Deutschmann. Another 3. Not that time around. Bitoy with a leather. Wilson to the right side. Nag-slide si Sena. They get it over to Taha. His pass thwarted by Salvador. Di nga lang makontrol ni Miller. Mananatili ang possession dito sa Express.
O kanina nakita natin si Deutschmann taking the shot from the outside. Big problem for Global is that kung magbinti siya sa labas, sino ba ang kukuha ng offensive rebound? It's just Salvador inside. And he's up against a lot of big guys from Air 21. So Deutschmann must also learn how to adjust his offensive game.
Linganay on the move. They want to pound it inside. Salvador contra Sena.
There's only one post-up guy here for Global. Deutschmann.
3 to shoot. Deutschmann's got to put it up. Salvador not aware of the shot clock.
Now in that situation,
pinapasok na ni Coach Franz.
well, in that situation, you would want your point guard or another guard getting the ball with time, shot clock winding down. You don't want the Deutschmann holding the ball and the defense coming towards him. You want someone who can pass.
Pero ito, Vinito, no? So far, in the early goings in this game, lapas kalahati pa lang ng opening quarter. As John Wilson crashes to the floor, Deutschman will be whistled for the block.
I hope it's okay.
Wilson a little
Masama ang bagsak,
shaken here.
He came from a high elevation.
Pero ipapagpag lang yan. Batang NCAA yan. Napakatibay ng katawan yan. The former heavy bomber.
Ooh. He landed hard on his hip.
Ito, nakapila na sa free throw line etong si John Wilson. Binabanggit ko kanina, halos mahigit kalahati na ng first quarter na lumilipas dito, the Dean. Para sa Global Port, Willie Miller at Gary David, hindi pa masyado nagtitira dito.
Exactly, and Air 21 is coming on strong. And by the way, Air 21, 10 player na nagagamit dito ni Coach Franz Kumaren. Ang dami nilang palitan.
That's an 8-2 run para dito sa Air 21 to come within 3 points.
Global, still no changes from that starting lineup. While Air 21 has already dug deep into its bench.
Linganay with a leather. They get it over to Salvador. Shot clock winding down once again. Linganay, nice backdoor cut. Excellent pass coming from Salvador.
A good vision that time. Salvador knew exactly where to make that pass. When you've got a Rudy Linganay who's very quick on his feet, always moving around, if you've got the ball and you want to pass the ball to Linganay, you have to know exactly where he's going.
Canaleta against David. They want Nino posting up. Turnaround jumper doesn't work. Rebound. Senna clears it and sticks it through. (16-13). Global Port still up by 3. Linganay may tangan ng bola. David pops out. David receives. David tinagaan ni Canaleta. Miller recovers. The Thriller has 5 to work with. Step back jumper. Willie. No. Underneath it. Salvador. Dumaplis naman sa ring yan. So na-reset ang shot clock dito. Jondan scored 6 consecutive points moments ago. This time gets it to Deutschman. Outside jumper. Doesn't work para dito kay Jason. Canaleta on the run. Well covered by Miller. They go to Wilson. That's his specialty.
Oh, yes.
John Wilson punches it through.
And don't look now, but it is a tied ball game.
12-3 ang score natin kanina. It's been a 16-4 counter-attack by Air 21.
I'm surprised that Global has not made any adjustment for that starting lineup. Ito lang. Nakahabol na ang Air 21 down by 7 at one point.
And they turn it over once again. Canaleta now with a chance to give Air 21 their first taste of the lead. They go over to Senna. Quick spin to the baseline. JR, no. Miller with a board. Will look to push it over to Linganay. He is fouled here by Canaleta.
Well, going over our Dean's List, Magu, Global Port, it's all about getting back into the groove with Gary David. He needs to be on fire. Last time out, 1 out of 10 from the floor. Ni isang assist, wala siya. No? Now, if you're not hitting your shots, you've got to be at least passing the ball and finding your open teammates. I think the new leadership role of Willie Miller has to come out here strong. Ang pangatlo, they've got to be able to crash the boards because they were minus 27 in rebounding in that loss to Ginebra.
Para naman dito sa kabila, ano ang ating kayanda?
Well, for Air 21 ang ating Dean's List, they've got to be able to stand their ground. Number one, stay aggressive. I think if you're aggressive and going strong to the hole, good things will happen, especially since they shot 90% from the free throw line against Barako. I think the second part is they need to be able to play tough perimeter defense. They've got to be aware that Global has a lot of good shooters. Willie Miller, Gary David, and Jason Deutschman. And number 3, no second chance points. They gave up 13 second chance points to Barako when they only scored 2 for them on that department. So they have to make sure that walang